Hi, my name is Carlos Arias. The letter was written by Emma and sent to Daniel. In the letter, Emma explains that she has been living in Bogota for 2 years and that her life there is busier than before. She also talks about her new job, the new skills she has acquired, and how living in big city has made her more independent and responsible. Her main experiences are that she moved to Bogota and has lived there for 2 years. She started a new job, which is more demanding than her previous one, and she has visited museums and parks in Bogota. In comparison, her life in Bogota is busier than the life she had in her hometown. Her new job is more demanding than her previous one, and public transport in Bogota is faster than in her hometown. It can be said that Emmons is experienced as being positive because although Bogota is a bigger, noisier, and busier city, she has learned new skills and become more independent and responsible. I think experience this type of change shows as moving to a different city can be good opportunity to learn and grow as person. In my life, I have experienced several important challenges. When I was young, something similar to what happened to Emma happened to me. I lived with my father, mother, and sister in Ibagué, Tolima, but we made the decision to move it to Bogota, where I am currently live. The challenge really affected me because I was very young and did not want to leave my friends and the life I had in Ibagué. However, Bogota offers my different and new experiences in my life. Thank you.